Hey guys, it's Illustrator Ryan Shaw coming back at you this week for another lesson here on Cartoon University. And this week's lesson is going to come out of my first How to Draw book for kids called How to Draw Animals. Published this a few years back. And it has 26 different animals. And today's animal we're going to draw out of the book is on page 16. It's a lion. And we're going to follow all these steps here to come up with the final drawing down here at the bottom. Really easy steps, and it's based off of a couple easy shapes that you're familiar with. So let's go ahead and get started here. And if you know how to draw a circle and you know how to draw a heart, you heard that right, a heart, like a Valentine's Day heart, then you should be okay on this. So let's go ahead, let me dust that off a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead, get your pencils ready, have an eraser, something like this will work just fine. All right, now let's go ahead and draw a heart shape. So when you're drawing a heart shape, let's go ahead and do one side there. Do the other there. And I'm going to zoom in just a tad here. Okay. So there we have a heart. Remember, do this really light. Don't do it hard, because you're going to erase this. If you need to extend anything out, make it a little more symmetrical looking, you can always erase and erase any stray lines you see that you don't like. You can do that now or you can do it later. Okay, now in the middle of the heart, let's go ahead and draw a circle. Remember, really light. Now in the middle of the circle, let's go ahead and dissect that in half there and then half right here. Remember, really light. All right, let's draw some eyeballs. Nice oval shape that's kind of tilted to the left. Let's mirror that image over. Let's do a mirror image of that. The other side. Okay, now let's draw some pupils in. Nice little tiny circle there, tiny circle there. Now in the middle, let's go ahead. You can either do an oval shape or a rounded triangular shape. Either way will work. You can color it in now if you like. Okay, next, let's go ahead and just give them a little eye ridge right there, either side. Let's go ahead and give them a little bit of a bump there for the nose. All right, now from the bottom of the nose, we're going to do like a letter U right here. Same thing on the other side for the jowls. Let's go ahead and on the side of that, just do a little grin on either side. All right, let's go ahead and do some little teeth here if you like. Little dots for the whiskers. Underneath that, we're going to do the chin. It's kind of like an extended W. See that? All right, now we're just going to define the hair some, or the mane. And let's go in here. Have the cheeks showing. Now let's do the ears. See that little zigzag line there? Another one. Now we're putting the ears in. Now let's go ahead and add texture for the mane. And we can go ahead and erase any stray lines we don't want to use. And there you have it. And we can color this guy too. But see how easy that is? All we did was a heart and a circle, and we went from there and we built a cool little lion. Go ahead and color this guy. Give him a body. Make him have some kind of cool jungle adventure. It's all up to you how you use your creativity and imagination when you draw. So I hope you enjoyed this week's lesson on Cartoon University. Make sure to tell your friends about Cartoon University and tune in every week, as I have a new, quick, easy lesson here on Cartoon University. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest lessons here on Cartoon University.